Hi, welcome to the rebranded Open Dave's Designs YouTube channel. I wish to welcome everybody here who has been a subscriber in the past and future subscribers. This channel is going to be about DIY projects ranging from woodworking to electronics to repair to design, fabrication, sending parts out to a subcontractor to have fabricated and sent back, assembly testing, just anything under the sun that sounds fun and interesting. I am not an expert in any or all of these fields. I have been working in this field for 35 years. I am very versed in design, build for industrial use. I've not been on YouTube in a while, so this is new for me. Who am I? I'm a guy who's close to retiring. I like designing and building things. I want to use this channel as a way to um, show my grandkids and great grandkids who I was or who I am. So in the future, if I'm not here and they want to see who Opa Dave was, they can tune into this channel and see me. Um, this also is an outlet for me to build projects. I like designing, I like building, I like creating things that didn't exist or are being modified into something that maybe it wasn't intended for in something else. I have a small office in my garage. I have a number of tools, skills. Let's talk safety. This channel will be dealing with some high voltage items. If you are not prepared or have the skill set to work on anything that is live AC, do not attempt these projects. If you do attempt, you attempt at your own risk. And uh, so anything that happens is your responsibility. I take no responsibility in your actions. What we will be doing is we will be DIY on um, electronics, woodworking, metal fabrication, just anything that may come up. Could be working in outside in the garden and creating something that will automatically water plants for us, to turning on lights, to monitoring perimeter security, to who knows what. Uh, just whatever comes to mind. I hope that viewers will offer ideas. We will be looking at vintage magazines that I purchased when I was a very young person back in the 70s and 1980s. We will be recreating some of these projects with maybe a modern twist, a modern design. The designs that I create, most of them will be open source, free, except for the tools used to create them. I will be using Altium, SolidWorks, and Windows-based products for my designs. Um, we will be using AI. It is here to stay. Uh, we will be implementing it as an assistant for show creation and management. I will use it to create verbiage or posters for me. We will be sharing these outputs of these files. So if I create a schematic or a drawing, If I decide to release them, they'll be released in PDF. If there is a 3D model, if I wish to release that 3D model for somebody's use, it will be a step model exported from SolidWorks. That brings up the tools that I use: SolidWorks, Altium, and Windows based tools. So Office 365, whatever else may fancy me that I wish to use. Not the entire show will be created by AI. I don't wish to do that because it's my show. But I will use AI as a tool to help me get where I need to get. I hope you'll come along on the journey with me, and we'll see you on our first project. Our first project will be a Variac slash dim bulb panel. It will be on a 5U panel that will be mounted to a small rack mount structure that will be on my bench top. That will be a series, which will be the build and testing, broken into two parts. I hope to keep everything around the 20-minute mark, 15 to 20-minute mark for the viewers. I hope you'll come along, and we'll be posting the first Variac dim bulb panel project in around the 15th of December. And I hope you'll be there for me as I release it. And join me along as we build and test items. If you have a project in the future you would like to see built, you can always leave me a comment. And when I get the website up and running, you can also leave a comment there. And we will go from there. Excuse me. Thank you for coming along. Welcome. This is Opa Dave from Opa Dave's Designs. Thank you. Bye.